In recent days, we can spot many health issues mainly due to overdosage of medicines. If the composition of drug varies, this will result in serious health issues, which may even lead to human death. In some cases, the existing system of medicine manufacturing involves manual measurement and mixing process, which may result in some unexpected errors. Let us see one of the existing system in the ingredient measurement process.
The calculated quantities of all the materials as received from the stores according to the requisition is checked, weighed and sifted from a fine mass of vibro sifter and mixed in a cone blender for a prescribed period of time. The calculated quantity of mixed powder as per the prescribed fill weight is dispensed for each plate of 300 capsules. The capsule loaded plate is then placed on the capsule filling machine that opens and fills the capsules with the powder and then lock the capsules. The capsules are now filled with calculated and pre-decided quantity of mixed powder.
During this process, the ingredients to be filled are measured manually using reference samples. During this, if any quantity varies are there in the reference sample, the entire process may result in fault value. Also, human may encounter errors due to parallax. To overcome all these demerits, we developed a solution using LabVIEW which automatically does the process with high accuracy. Now, let us see our proposed system. As we have seen previously, the initial process of drug manufacturing is formulation. During formulation, the ingredients are being manually weighted. If the composition of these ingredients varies, then this will result in serious health issues. The proposed model is designed in such a way that the ingredients to be mixed is placed over conveyor belt and it is weighted by using pressure transducer. Correspondingly, the weight and the required parameters are analyzed in LabVIEW platform. Through shielded connector board, the control is given to Atmega 8 microcontroller for segregation process. Servo motor controlled by Atmega 8 microcontroller is used to operate system for accurate segregation of the ingredients. This is 24-volt DC motor and this motor is driven by DC regulated power supply and this supply is used to run the conveyor belt at constant speed. This is sensor unit consists of LDR and light source. The light is continuously made to fall over the LDR. When the light falling on the LDR is interrupted by an object, then the signal will be sent to processing unit. The processing unit consists of 555 timer circuit and this circuit will analyze the signal and the corresponding digital signal will send to LabVIEW through shielded connected board 68 that is SCB. Here weight of the object is measured by using pressure transducer. This is a pressure transducer CZL601 used to measure the pressure of the object passing over the conveyor. The pressure will be converted into its corresponding weight in the circuit and the data will be transmitted to LabVIEW through SCB. The measured weight of an object will be also digitally displayed in 7-segment display for easy analyzing purpose. This splitter arrangement is used to split the ingredients based on their weight. This is controlled by DC servo motor and the position of DC servo motor is controlled by microcontroller circuit. Atmega 8 microcontroller is programmed to control the circuit. This is interfaced with PC through MAX 232 IC and also interfacing is done along with RS232 cable. This is power supply unit. The constant positive 5V and negative 5V is provided by regulated IC 7805 and 7905. This circuit is fed by two transformers. This is front panel setup of our project. This shows the indication of sensor identifier, servo motor, conveyor motor and the communication availability where the green shows on state and red shows off state. It also has a set value that can be preset for the ingredient weight measurement. The communication mode can be set through communication port. The input weight is measured through SCB and the signal is displayed through data acquisition system. The graph displays the corresponding value acquired through SCB. The grade quantity and write quantity of the ingredient are acquired continuously and displayed. The selector and manual options are provided for automatic and manual switching of segregation process. The RPS is set to constant value and the DC motor is made to rotate at constant speed. This will run the conveyor belt. Now, the ingredient is placed over the conveyor. When it crosses the sensing unit, it will be detected and the weight is measured. This will be displayed in 7-segment display and also sent to LabVIEW platform, where the splitter is made to position itself to the corresponding conveyor. By the same procedure, we can see the working of the project when false weight ingredient is placed. This is false one, which is placed over the conveyor belt. As mentioned in the previous process, the sensing unit will detect the ingredient and the weight is measured. Now this weight will not be equal to the set value. So the splitter position it will be changed and direct towards the recycled trash bin.